Hi everyone, real quick video today. We're gonna try to make it quickly before the snow. Yes, middle of April and we're supposed to get snow. Anyways, today what I'm doing is I'm going to be installing these tiny, and I mean tiny, check this out, 2 or 3 millimeter spacers, 3 millimeter, yes, 3 millimeter spacers onto the front of my car. Yes, when I first got the wheels, I said the fitment is perfect and they don't need any spacers, but when I took the wheels off, I realized that they might be sitting a bit too close to the shock, and 2, I feel like they could use just a bit more poke in the front. I am crazy. But anyways, that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing today. I'm gonna take you on this journey with me. And this is my problem area. When I got under the car and I sort of peeked in, I noticed that the tire is super close to this area. Before I adjusted the springs, there was actually an area where I was touching a tiny bit. So it was too close for comfort. So what I did was, I figured these tiny spacers will space it out by this much. Yes, it'll still be close to the shock, but it won't be anything too crazy. And they are small enough so I don't need extended lugs. They sit exactly on the lip here, so nothing is going to be needed in terms of crazy modifications. They seem super lightweight, so not much unsprung weight added. And yeah, I think we should get started. And installing these is actually very straightforward. You want to put some NTCs on the hub. In my case, I just mounted my wheels last week. Haven't even driven the car, so there's NTCs on it. And essentially, this is how you do them. And once you're done, you pick up your beautiful wheel, put it on. And we are done. So this is what it looks like in terms of the poke. As you can see, I feel like the wheels could probably use another 3 millimeters. Yes, I am crazy, but I'm not crazy because I have these mud flaps, and I've got to say, I saw a picture online of someone who was complaining about rock chips on this rocker pan, and it was absolutely insane. And when I was looking at that photo, I was feeling very happy because I've got these mud flaps that are, again, some people like them, some people don't like them, a lot of people do like them, but they really protect the side of the car from getting smashed. And yes, I'm super happy with them. Actually, if you want them, I can make you a set. Email me, got6speed@gmail.com. But anyways, so this is what the spacers look like. This is what they look like when you peek in. Yes, you can see a tiny spacer sandwiched here between the wheel and the hub, but it looks like it's part of the wheel. And from this angle, again, it looks absolutely phenomenal. The poke is great. And now that's gonna give me a peace of mind knowing that the wheel in the front is not too close to the shock. And we're done. Yeah, this was a very short video. Huge thanks to Keys Motorsports for sending me these spacers. I reached out to Brian, I said, hey, what do you got? And he said these are fantastic. So I'm gonna link his product down in the description as well as everything else that we used today. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Yeah.
We need to go talk to Violet. She's been breathing in my hands, and I put her for a time out in her room.
I'm coming.
I'm trying for you to let the hands on his hand. That's how I introduced him when he was fine.
Okay, I'm coming.